We have arrived to Batam and now we are walking to our hotel. Hopefully we will not get lost. It's our first time here in Batam. Okay, our first meal in Batam probably could be McD. Let's see. 18,000. So we just ordered our first meal, McD. It cost us. We are millionaire here, so this one is 130,000 rupiah. Our meal has arrived, so they have all this special sauce. Oops. Also got this. Okay, so we just had our first meal here. Now we're gonna walk to the nearby shopping mall. Oh, even this one also abandoned. Okay, this place where we are is quite abandoned though. Look at all this hole. So I'm not sure how safe are we now. Okay, we're done buying some stuff from the mall. Now we are walking back. Now we are just exploring around our hotel because as you can see, it's a very nice hotel where we are staying. Even the Starbucks. And we have our swimming pool. What's the hotel name? Grand Esca, right? That one, right? Yeah, Grand Esca. Now we have our breakfast. Okay, we have arrived to the mall, but as you can see, it's still early, so there's no one around. And today is a Friday. Okay, so we have arrived to this theme park mega wisata. Need to pay the entry fee. However, because today is a Friday, so according to our Grab driver, the theme park is not in operation today, except the weekend. So now we're just gonna walk around and take some pictures of this. Kind of look like a haunted theme park, honestly. Okay, so all of this, yes, is not moving for us today. Say what you say just now.
I'm so disappointed. No idea why it's here.
And then we have to pay for it, for entrance fee, for all this. And we have another abandoned building. And there's a stretch of walkway, colorful walkway. Yes. Just got our ticket to Puncak Beliong because we got a change of plan. So we ended up coming here to play, which I think this one is more worth it. Oh, so this is one of it that we'll be playing today. So this is the rainbow slide. To the back. Semangat kakak.
Oke, peace. Oke, lu kamera, peace. Next, bye-bye kamera, bye-bye kamera. Bye.
Makanya dikasih kipas itu bang. Kalau
She got the king sand. Okay, we are at our dinner place. We just ordered some simple food for tonight. Okay, we have checked out from this beautiful hotel and waiting for Grab. We are going to Grand Batam Mall. Today is our last day here in Batam. So yeah, I think our Grab arrived. Yes, let's go. Okay, we have arrived to Grand Batam Mall. So we have a few hours here until our next ferry ride. So we're just gonna explore. This is one of the more here in Batam. So let's go. So we got our ticket, waiting to be board.